Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using LA Colors newly released personality palette called Fancy that looks like this right here. This palette is what was used to help to create the eye look that you're seeing, and if you want to see more on how I use the palette to create the eye look, keep watching this video and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later dolls. I'm going to start out by priming the entire mobile area of my eye by using my fingertips, and I'm going to blend all the way up towards my brow bone. Then I'll be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color called Medium Deep. I like using this to help set that primer and as a transitional color just to help my eyeshadows to blend together more smoothly. So here's the fun part, the palette. I'm taking that neutral brown color and placing it directly into the crease in a windshield type motion. This color matches more closely towards my skin tone, which is why I'm using it. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit of black. I kid you not, a tiny bit. Now I'm using this black just to create some definition in my eyes, to get the shape of my eyes going. So I'm only placing it in on the outer V, but I'm doing it in a C type motion. Yeah, creating the letter C because I just want to get some definition in my eye. So here's something I like doing. I'm taking a black cream base and I'm gonna dab it directly only on the mobile area of my eye. I'm using this black base because it's going to help intensify this next color I'm about to apply, which is right here. Now watch this. Wait for it. Gorgeous. This is what I love about LA Colors Cosmetics. Their eyeshadows are insanely pigmented. Color you see, you definitely going to get, and especially if you use the right base. I'm taking a flat shader brush, and as you can look at that, oh, as you can see right there, the flat shader brush, I'm applying it directly only on the mobile area of my eye, and using the black base really helped this color to pop that much better. Hence the reason why I decided to use the black base. So I'm going to go back into the palette and take a little bit more of that black, because now I want to begin deepening up the color in on the outer V and begin kind of like smoking it out. I'm taking it halfway in towards the center of my eye because I just want to create the definition. And now I went back into the palette and I took that rusty color. It's like a light bronze color. I'm putting that only on the tear ducts to help open up my eyes with reflective light, just to give me a brighter eye look. And then with a clean blending brush, I'm gonna blend, blend, blend some more, blend, 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 and that's to avoid harsh lines and demarcation. So off camera, apply my false eyelashes and wing liner, and I took your advice. Okay, I heard you. I've been using the matte LA Colors that worked for me, but I'm about to use the Radiant Foundation. I have a previous video up about the Radiant LA Colors Foundation and how the colors didn't work for me, but a lot of you glam dolls was very adamant that that mocha color seemed like it would be a perfect fit for me. So I'm going to mix it with the LA Colors matte foundation that I love, and I'm going to pray. Let's see how this goes. I'm taking your advice, okay? I'm listening to y'all. The community has spoken. So here we go. So far so good. All right. So now I'm gonna blend it all the way in. Okay, dolls. It seemed like it's working kind of okay. So I'm gonna blend in my entire face by using the LA Colors Radiant Foundation mixed with the matte color. And okay, the dolls was right. Yeah, y'all was right. So now I'm moving into the highlight and contour. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Contour Cream Concealer, using the lighter portion for underneath the areas of my eyes to highlight. And then I'm taking the dark portion, putting it around the perimeter of my face and my cheekbones to begin contouring. And I'm taking my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm going to blend out that highlight and blend out that contour, just like that. And then I'm going to move into doing some highlighting. Oh my gosh, this LA Colors Skin Enhancer, wait for it. I'm going to have to show you how this works. Now, look at this. Ooh, that is so pretty. Dolls, I kid you not. You have to, I'm telling you, you have to get this skin illuminator right here. It is so gorgeous. And look at this. Ooh, it gives you a natural glow. It's not over. Ooh, you know, I'm addicted to it. Look at this. I'm gonna add some more. It gives you the most natural looking subtle highlight that LA Colors really came through. You see this right here? Yeah, hands down. You gotta get it. Look at that. Look at what it's doing. I know this camera is getting a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. And you know what? The link to it is down in the description box below. Oh my gosh. Okay. Enough. I know. So now I'm going to use some blush. I'm not much of a blush wearer. A little bit of this is definitely going to go a long way for me. Just adding a little bit of blush onto my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips with some brown lip liner. Followed by some Black Radiance matte lipstick. And then I'm going to use the newly released LA Colors Metal liquid lipstick, and I absolutely love this color. It will be down in the description box below. So as I apply the lipstick, dolls, and everything, this pretty much just concluded the video. Not bad. I'm glad I took everyone's advice when it came to the LA Colors Radiant Foundation, because, you know, it really did work for me. So thank you for the suggestions, and make sure you get your hands on this fancy palette I created the eye look. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Later, dolls.